Alright, we have got a question. 4 power x equals to x. Solution. By copy what we have 4 power x equals to x. Okay. But here, don't try to think about that we are going to use algebra. No. The way to solve this question is to use function only. Okay? That's why we're going to start by applying ln on both sides. Okay? We shall say ln of 4 power x equal to ln of x. Okay? And this is equal to x ln of 4 equal to ln x. Then here I have to divide x to get ln of 4 equal to ln x over x. And at this stage, if you have a number, we have x, for example, right here, okay? And you know that when you have an example of e, like example of e power ln x equal to x, so that this is what I'm going to replace the value of x we have right down here, okay? To get ln of 4 equal to ln x over e power ln x. Okay, and this is what I'm going to apply right here. Okay, and what you have, this will be ln of 4, which equal to ln x times e power negative ln x. Okay, and we want to this ln to have negative in order to look like, okay? We have to multiply ln on both sides to get negative ln 4 will be negative ln x times e negative power negative ln x. At this stage, I have negative ln x, and here I have negative ln x. And today we have to run what we call Lambert W function when we have a power a times e power a, and when you apply Lambert W function, that is equal to a. Okay. And at this stage, what are you going to run? Let us take this one to this side, okay? To get negative ln x times e power negative ln x equals to negative ln of 4. Okay, then by applying Lambert W function to get Lambert W function of negative ln x times a power negative ln x equals to Lambert W function of negative ln of 4. Okay, and at this stage we have a, which is like this one, and this one, which is like this. To mean that answer is this. Okay, to mean that here we shall get negative ln x equals to Lambert the function of negative ln of 4. Okay, but we have to stay with ln x only. We shall divide negative on both sides to get ln x equals to negative Lambert W function of negative ln of 4. Okay, and if you have seen nicely, and if you say here, you're going to apply, when you say e power ln a is equal to a. And we are going to apply e on both sides. E power ln x equal to e power negative Lambert W function of negative ln of 4 to get x, which equal to e power negative Lambert W function of negative ln of f4. When you have a power of negative, to mean that this is in denominator, so that here x equals to 1 over e power Lambert W function of ln of 4. Okay, at this stage we can calculate. Here I have negative. Okay, at this stage here we can calculate the value of x, which is not real solution. This is complex one. This is negative 0.088, okay, 1, then plus 1.52i. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.